Seekh Kebab recipe. 500 grams ground beef, 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, cilantro, chopped to green chilies, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons ground flour, besan, 1 tablespoon oil plus extra for basting. Skewers pre-soaked in water. 1. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, finely chopped onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, red chili powder, cumin, ground coriander, garam masala, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, salt, gram flour, and oil. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. 2. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and let the mixture marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or preferably overnight. This will help the flavors to meld together. 3. Preheat your grill or barbecue to medium-high heat. 4. Take the marinated mixture out of the refrigerator and divide it into equal portions. 5. Take a skewer and shape the meat mixture on it, pressing and shaping it into a long cylindrical kebab. Repeat this process with the remaining meat mixture and skewers. 6. Place the kebabs on the preheated grill or barbecue. Cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until they are browned and cooked through. Keep rotating the skewers to ensure even cooking. 7. While grilling, baste the kebabs with a little oil to keep them moist and flavorful. 8. Once the kebabs are cooked and have a nice charred appearance, remove them from the grill. 9. Serve the Seekh Kebabs hot with mint chutney, naan bread, and a side salad. Enjoy your delicious Seekh Kebabs.